How to export ChatGPT chats without copy paste. First, open up your preferred browser and type chat.openai.com. As you can see, I've already opened it. And now go to your chat that you want to copy. Now, obviously, you have the option to copy it like this, the normal way, but this is not practical in every case. So, there is a simple way to do so is that in the left hand side, you can see the option of export chat. This option may not be visible for normal chat GPT accounts, so I'm going to show you a way how to add this one. So all you need to do is add an extension for your Chrome. Simply type for AIPRM for chat GPT and add this extension in your Chrome. Once you do that, you can export your chat. And as you can see, I've already downloaded the chat. So I'm going to select Notepad. And now once the file is opened, you can see that the entire chat has been copied. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more videos like this.